Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study reliability analysis, which is a very important concept in medical research because before using any instrument, scale, or diagnostic method, we must know whether it gives consistent results. What is reliability? Reliability refers to how consistently a method measures something. If the same results can be consistently achieved by using the same method under the same circumstances, the measurement is considered reliable. Common reliability statistics: Intraclass Correlation Coefficient, Bland-Altman Analysis, Kappa Statistic, Kendall's Coefficient. Different reliability methods are used depending on the type of data. Continuous data often uses ICC and Bland-Altman, while categorical data use Kappa. Kappa statistics. Kappa statistics is used to measure the agreement between refers for categorical variables after correcting for chance agreement. The formula is used for Kappa statistics categorical agreement K is equal to P naught minus PE divided by 1 minus PE. PO observed agreement, PE expected agreement if random judgment. N is the total number of observation, small n is the number of observation, Nij is the total number of rates. Kappa interpretation. Less than 0.01 value is poor agreement, 0.01 to 0.02 is slightly agreement, and 0.21 to 0.4 fair agreement, and 0.41 to zero point 0.6 moderate agreement, 0.61 to zero point 0.8 substantial agreement, and zero point 0.8 above almost perfect agreement. Kappa above zero point 0.8 means a strong diagnostic agreement. Consider example for Kappa statistics. Two radiologists diagnosing pneumonia. We have 10 patients. Radiologist 1, patient 1 diagnosis is positive pneumonia and radiologist 2 say the positive. We make a new column positive and negative options. First we open SPSS file and create the variables radiologist 1, radiologist 2 and serial numbers, and give the values negative and positive values, and enter the data in data views. SPSS steps: enter data radiologist 1 and radiologist 2, go to analyze descriptive statistics and cross tab, move variables into rows and columns, click statistics, check kappa, click OK, interpret kappa values. Go to Analyze Descriptive Statistics and press Cross Tab button. In Cross Tab windows, move Radiologist 1 in rows and Radiologist 2 in column and press OK button. After moving both Radiologist 1 and Radiologist 2 in column, press Statistics button, check Kappa Statistics and press Continue button and OK button. The results show the cross-tabulation, chi-square test, and symmetric measures. In symmetric measures, Kappa value is 0.615, which means in cross tabulation, radiologist 1 and radiologist 2, frequency 2, this one is the conflict of agreement. Radiologist 1 says these two-person positive and radiologist 2 says this two-person is negative. Next table is chi-square test table, which value is 4.44, and 4 cells 100% have expected count less than 5. So we use Fisher exact test. Fisher exact test value p-value is 0.076, which means there is there is no association between radiologist 1 and radiologist 2, which means 0.615 means substantial agreement between radiologist 1 and radiologist 2 to diagnose the pneumonia. Advantages and limitation. Advantages: correct chance agreement, easy interpretation, very common in diagnostic studies. Limitation: influenced by prevalence, sensitive when categories unequal. When disease's prevalence is very low, kappa may become misleading. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.